So I just did my first tutorial. Not really tutorial, but like I showed you how I painted that. But here's how it turned out. I like it. Since I don't really paint that much, I usually draw. But I'm actually giving this to a friend as a present, and on the back it says, "You are the Nyan to my cat." I know, I'm cheesy. But here's some tips if you want to do like a crayon wax painting or something. You obviously don't have to do Nyan Cat. But if you're uncomfortable around touching hot things or burning yourself, like I did many times, get someone to help you with the hot glue that's comfortable with it and the crayon wax, because I burn myself a lot, but I'm used to it. And I mean, like, one time I actually just like reached out and touched the hot glue, which is stupid. I'm stupid. And then I used just regular acrylic paints on canvas and regular crayons. Crayola or rose art will be best. But I unwrapped them. Some people like to leave them wrapped, but I unwrapped them because I thought it would look cooler. And I just used regular brushes I got from like an art store or something. I got like 5 for $7 or something. But also, if you're new to crayon wax painting, you should test out some crayons on cardboard beforehand. So, I mean, you see how you would blow dry them and everything. It's quite easy, but you still need to test it out before you do it on a canvas, because canvas is expensive. But I hope you guys liked it, like this video. If you enjoyed it, I really hope you did, because I'm a little nervous about putting this out here on the YouTube, because it's my first video. But if you like it, then I'll make more. I'll draw or something. I won't do a painting again because I don't like painting. But I really hope you do like it. I'm actually surprised I didn't get any paint on my shirt. That's good. So, bye, I guess. See you later.